Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
just knock Binoy that they will be going for whether we are on YouTube live or not. Just you check.
I mean, YouTube live है कि
Binoy and Anirban.
Anirban, are you there?
Okay, I'm checking. Just
Anirban, I can't see Anirban.
Hello, madam.
হ্যাঁ
Uh,
Binoy.
আমরা কি ইউটিউব লাইভে আছি গেছি আবি no response.
Yes, we are on. So let's start.
Okay, okay. Very good evening to our respected principal madam, to our two eminent guests, Sri Vinay Kumar sir, Regional Director, Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and to Colonel Prabir Sengupta sir, a motivational speaker and youth mentor. To all my dear students and to my colleagues, I, Dr. Shuchishmita Das from the Department of Microbiology and an NSS member, welcomes you all to the webinar Observance of NSS Day 2021, organized by the NSS unit of THK Jain College. Today, this webinar will not be conducted by any teacher, but by our own NSS volunteers who are active all through the year. So with this, I would request one of the very active NSS volunteer, Srimati Shravani Bonik. So Shravani, are you there? So it's all
Yes, ma'am.
yours. You may continue. Okay.
Good evening, my respected teachers, guests, and my dear friends. Today is a special day for us. We are celebrating NSS Foundation Day. The National Service Scheme is a public service program conducted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The National Service Scheme was launched in 1969, the birth century year of Mahatma Gandhi, in 37 universities involving 40,000 students. The scheme was kicked off by the Union Education Minister V.K.R.V. Rao and 37 universities across all states on 24 September 1969. Not me, but you. This is the NSS motto. They symbolize the requirement of selfless service and also indicates the true sense of democratic living. Students develop and learn to respect and value the point of view of other people and also understand the value of other living beings. NSS volunteers of THK Jain College organize multifarious social activities like cleanliness and plantation drives, water, hygiene, sanitation, road safety rules, dengue awareness program, blood donation camp, and so more. Even this pandemic situation not stop them. They organized various awareness programs by the help of digital platform. I want to show a short video clip of the activities of our NSS volunteer. I request to Dipan sir to please show this video.
Yes.
समाज के लिए उठे जगे स्वराष्ट्र के लिए जगे स्वयं सजीव सुंदरा सवार दे स्वयं सजीव सुंदरा सवार दे हम उठेगा जब हमारे संग साथियों हम बढ़े तो सब बढ़ेंगे अपने आप साथियों जमीन पे आसमान को उतार दे जमीन पे आसमान को उतार दे सजीव सुंदरा सवार दे सजीव सुंदरा सवार दे
As special thanks to my principal ma'am and our program officer of NSS unit, Professor Jhumur Mundal, for encouraging us. I request our principal ma'am to say something about this day.
Thank you. Thank you, Sabuni, for showing us a very nice video that you have prepared. Thank you very much. Now, good afternoon, all present here. I am extremely honored and feel privileged to welcome Sri Vinoy Kumar, Regional Director, Regional Directorate of NSS, Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, to this event of observance of NSS Day organized by the NSS unit of THK Jain College. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence and sharing time with all of us. Let me now offer a very special warm welcome to our speaker, Colonel Probir Sengupta, Vishesh Seva Medal honoree, a motivational speaker and trainer with experience from Army and IIMB. Sir, thank you for giving us some time for your to address our students and of course all of us. I also welcome all the faculty members, NSS committee members, and my dear students to this program. As is clear from the video as prepared by our volunteer, the college has a considerable number of NSS volunteers who have engaged in different activities related to community service. But as we are going through this pandemic and our colleges are closed for last 1.5 years, the students are not able to come to college. So somehow the physical involvement is somehow reduced. But thanks to this online platform, as Sabuni has already mentioned, that we have continued some of the activities to continue on this online platform. Like we have organized Yoga Day celebration, we have organized webinars to observe different day like International Drug Abuse Day and all other several other programs. All are held online. And since our college, as you already know, that it is set up by Sri S.S. Jain Sabha, they are very much famous for all kinds of philanthropic activities. We receive support from our college governing body as well to continue all this service. Like in this time of distress, as you already know, that our college has taken the initiative of food distribution among the poor and destitute child. Also, at the time of severe, in the second wave, when there was severe scarcity of oxygen, this college has taken the initiative of oxygen on wheel service, through which the number of COVID patients were, which basically that helped to save the life of number of COVID patients. All these I mentioned sharing with you because you know this is a very tough time we are all passing through, and we expect that this time definitely it will get over and we'll have all our NSS volunteers in our college campus. And another important thing is, which is very important, that personality development, and it's actually required because you know that a behavioral development of NSS volunteer, it is also required, no? Because balance in knowledge, attitude, and skill, it's very important. So today we have arranged another webinar. Basically, we are ready to hear from Colonel Probir Sengupta, who will be speaking. He's a very good speaker. So we have arranged this kind of webinar session for our NSS volunteers, not only for NSS volunteers, for all the students and faculty members as well. So without wasting further time, I'd like to express my immense thankfulness to our today's chief guest, Sri Vinoy Kumar ji, who is present here, and also our Colonel Probir Sengupta, our speaker, and other faculty members, staff, students who are involved with this program. Now I am requesting our today's chief guest, Sri Binoy Kumar ji, to say few words and to address the audience.
थैंक यू मैम। मैं ऑडिबल मैम?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
ओके, थैंक यू। आज के सबसे पहले आज के इस कार्यक्रम के लिए प्रिंसिपल मैम डॉक्टर मौसमी सिंह सेन गुप्ता को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ, और साथ ही साथ पूरे देशवासियों के साथ हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर को एनएसएस डे और आज़ादी के 75 वर्ष पे आयोजित एनएसएस डे की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बधाइयाँ। थैंक्स टू ऑल कि आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया। काफ़ी हेक्टिक शेड्यूल रहा, सुबह से 8 बजे से हम लोग कंटिन्यू मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहे हैं। आज के विशिष्ट अतिथि कर्नल प्रवीण सेन गुप्ता जी, मोटिवेटर एंड स्पीकर यूथ। अदर डिग्निटरी डॉक्टर मौसमी सेन गुप्ता मैडम प्रिंसिपल, प्रोफेसर झुमर मंडल प्रोग्राम अफसर, अदर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, एनएसएस वॉलंटियर्स। आज एनएसएस स्थापना दिवस पर आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज एनएसएस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, ये हमारा 52 बर्थ एनएसएस का कह सकते हैं बर्थडे है, जिसको हम लोग पूरे भारतवर्ष में सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। नॉट ओनली इंडिया, आउट ऑफ इंडिया जो है हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर जो पहले रह चुके हैं, वो लोग उनका भी मैसेज हम लोग प्राप्त कर रहे हैं कि आउट ऑफ कंट्री भी वो लोग अपने एनएसएस डे को भूल नहीं पा रहे हैं और किसी न किसी माध्यम से वो लोग उसको सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। आज का दिन हमारे लिए एनएसएस परिवार के लिए गौरव का दिन है कि 1969 में आज ही का दिन एनएसएस की स्थापना की गई और शुरुआत हुई। जैसा कि हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर ने बताया कि 40,000 वॉलंटियर 37 यूनिवर्सिटी से स्टार्ट हुआ। यह छोटा सा प्रयास आज के समय में वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, गवर्नमेंट यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूप में जाना जाता है, जहां पे 40,000 से बढ़ के 40 लाख यूथ हमारे पास आज की डेट में इस सेवा में जुड़े हुए हैं और निस्वार्थ भाव से दे रहे हैं। यह हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है कि ऐसा गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूथ के लिए पूरे वर्ल्ड में किसी भी कंट्री के पास नहीं है जो हमारे पास है। भारत युवाओं का देश है। आज के समय में पूरा विश्व हमारे देश की ओर हमारे युवाओं को देख रहा है कि किस प्रकार इंडिया और इंडिया की यूथ अपने मेहनत से देश को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। इसमें आप तमाम एनएसएस वॉलंटियर, प्रोग्राम अफसर, प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, प्रिंसिपल सभी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं। किसी न किसी रूप में आप अपने को सामाजिक कार्यों में जोड़े हुए हैं। मेन उद्देश्य हमारा जो कॉलेज में पढ़ने और पढ़ाने का साथ साथ कैंपस टू कम्युनिटी, जो कम्युनिटी में हम लोग जाकर समाज सेवा कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट हमारे लिए। पूरे देश में हम एक अलग पहचान के रूप में जाने जाते हैं, चाहे वो ब्लड डोनेशन की बात हो या प्लांटेशन की बात हो या आपदा के समय में काम करने की बात हो या सेनाओं के साथ कंधे में कंधे मिलाकर राजपथ पर मार्च पास्ट करने की बात हो। कहीं भी हमारे युवा पीछे नहीं रहते, किसी भी परिस्थिति में वो आगे बढ़ चढ़ कर भाग लेते हैं। यह हम लोग के लिए गर्व की बात है कि कभी भी हम लोग किसी भी युवा को जो एनएसएस वॉलंटियर है ये कहना नहीं पड़ता है कि आपको ये काम करना है या ये ऐसा है। वह आप स्वतः स्फूर्त किसी भी काम में लग जाते हैं और उस गोल को अचीव करते हैं। अभी पेंडेमिक की स्थिति चल रही है, जैसा मैडम ने बताया 1.5 ईयर से हमारे वॉलंटियर अपने घर पे, अपने विलेज में, अपने गाँव में, अपने शहर में एक तरह से घर में कैद। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना है, मास्क लगाना है, कहीं बाहर घूम भी नहीं सकते हैं, जा भी नहीं सकते हैं। फिर भी इस परिस्थितियों में कोई भी चैलेंज आया है ये बखूबी पूरा किया, वो चाहे लास्ट ईयर का अम्फन तूफान वेस्ट बंगाल का हो या इस साल का तूफान। आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर किस तरह इन सब चीज की परवाह न करते हुए आगे बढ़कर आए और जिला प्रशासन राज प्रशासन के साथ मिलकर कंधे में कंधे मिलाकर उन्होंने काम किया। ये हम सब के लिए गौरव की बात है। इसीलिए हम लोग जाने जाते हैं। जहां तक एनएसएस का मोटो का संदर्भ है, आप सभी जानते हैं कि इंग्लिश में इसे नॉट मी बट यू कहते हैं और हिंदी में स्वयं से पहले आप। जैसे अपने आप में मोटो एक चित्रार्थ करता है कि स्वयं से पहले आप, यानी कि अपने लिए नहीं, हम समाज के लिए, आपके लिए तत्पर रहते हैं 24 घंटे। आपने देखा होगा एनएसएस लोगो, जिसमें एक सिंबॉलिक है, यह उड़ीसा के कोणार्क मंदिर जो सूर्य मंदिर है वहां से लिया गया है। उस मंदिर का एक पहिया जो व्हील कहते हैं, व्हील है, उस चक्के का एक सिंबॉलिक इंडिकेशन है कि आपने देखा है कि इसमें 8 तिलियां हैं, 8 तिलिया स्कोप, जो 8 पहर यानी कि 24 आवर हमारे युवा कंटिन्यू चलते रहते हैं, अनवरत देश सेवा के लिए, समाज सेवा के लिए तत्पर है। साथ ही इसमें रेड कलर आपकी युवा ऊर्जा जो ब्लड से रिलेटेड है, संबंधित है कि हमारे युवा बहुत ही ऊर्जावान है और किसके लिए 24 घंटा चल रहे हैं। इस समाज ब्लू कलर यानी कि ब्रह्मांड यूनिवर्स का जो प्रतीक होता है उसके लिए, यानी कि हमारे संसार के लिए, ये ब्रह्मांड के लिए, समाज के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए 24 आवर्स हमारे युवा तत्पर है, गतिमान है, क्रियावान। इस सिंबल के साथ साथ हर काम हमारा समाज के लिए होता है, अपने लिए कुछ नहीं। गर्व की बात है हमारे लिए कि स्थापना काल से ही एनएसएस अपनी एक विशिष्ट पहचान स्थापित किया, चाहे वो लिटरेसी के मामले में हो। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि लिटरेसी प्रोग्राम में सबसे पहले पूर्ण साक्षरता का मिसाल केरला राज्य के कोट्टयम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में उठाया गया, जहां डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से मिलकर हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर और युवा ईच वन टीच वन का नारा देते हुए पूरे जिले को, पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को 100% साक्षर किया और यह मसाल वहां से उठी और आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते पूरे देश में फैली। उसके बाद एडल्ट एजुकेशन और कितने एजुकेशन संस्थाएं खुली, गवर्नमेंट बॉडी में कितने ऑफिसें खुले और फिर जाकर ये काम हमारा आगे बढ़ा। लेकिन वी आर द फर्स्ट, हम पहले हैं बहुत से कार्यों में। एक तो लिटरेसी का मैंने जैसे बताया, दूसरा अगर ले बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट या प्रोग्राम जिस समय एड्स पूरे विश्व को हिला रहा था, जैसे अभी कोविड की स्थिति है, इसके बारे में किसी को जानकारी नहीं था व्हाट इज द एड्स, क्योंकि सभी जानते थे उस समय की परिस्थिति केवल अपने को सुरक्षित रखना, इसके लिए कोई दवा नहीं थी, क्योंकि एक बार जिसको हो गया उसकी मृत्यु निश्चित। तो बचाव के बहुत से तरीके, संयम रखना और इसके बारे में लोगों को जागरूक करना। जब इंडिया में एड्स की का जानकारी नहीं था, पता नहीं था कि कोई पेशेंट है, उस समय एनएसएस को ये भारत सरकार के द्वारा ये दायित्व दिया गया कि आप ये अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम चलाएं। और मुझे याद है कि 82 में जो हम लोग रिकॉर्ड में मिलता है कि 1982 में फर्स्ट एक सेमिनार आयोजित किया गया ऊटी में, जिसमें हमारे एनएसएस के फैमिली के वॉलंटियर, एनएसएस प्रोग्राम अफसर, कोऑर्डिनेटर, प्रिंसिपल, वाइस चांसलर इकट्ठे काफी संख्या में मिले थे और उसमें निर्णय हुआ कि हमें इसे जन जन तक पहुंचाना है और वह आंदोलन बहुत बखूबी चालू हुआ। और उस समय से लेकर अभी तक आप देखेंगे एड्स के बारे में भी बहुत से हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर काम कर चुके हैं। हालांकि एक प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग का बंद हो चुका है कि जब से स्टेट एड्स कंट्रोल सोसाइटी इस चीज को अपने हाथों में लिया तो वो डायरेक्ट ना आके हम इनडायरेक्ट में काम करते हैं, उनके साथ में भी काम करते हैं। लेकिन सबसे पहले की बात आज जब आती है तो नैको भी कहता है कि सबसे पहले एनएसएस वॉलंटियर ही इस महामारी के बारे में अवेयरनेस और जागरूकता आम जन तक पहुंचाए हुए थे, वो एनएसएस के वॉलंटियर। इसके तुरंत बाद जब यूनिवर्सिटी टॉक्स एक्ट यानी कि हम पढ़े लिखों के बीच में अर्बन एरिया में बात करते थे, फिर गवर्नमेंट ने कहा कि नहीं, आप विलेज टॉक्स एक्ट कीजिए, गाँव में जाइए और गाँव में जाकर इसके प्रचार प्रसार कीजिए कि कैसे बचाव है। उसके बाद एनएसएस वॉलंटियर पूरे भारतवर्ष में थ्रू स्पेशल कैंप, थ्रू रेगुलर एक्टिविटी अपने गोद लिए गए ग्राम में और आसपास के विलेज में जाकर विलेज टॉक्स एक्ट का आयोजन किया और आम जन को इस महामारी के बारे में, इस रोग के बारे में बताया, जिसके कारण देश हमारा बहुत आगे सुरक्षित हो जा रहा है। नॉट ओनली ये ओल्ड पुरानी बातें हैं, अभी आधुनिक रूप से अगर बात करें तो डिजिटल इंडिया के बारे में पहले कोई नहीं जानता था कि डिजिटल इंडिया क्या है। और मैं बताऊं, एनएसएस का गर्व की बात है कि जब डिजिटल इंडिया का अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम की बात आई तो कई एक मंत्रालयों को द्वारा इस पर अपने अपने राय दिए गए और फाइनली माननीय प्रधानमंत्री की अध्यक्षता में एक कमेटी गठित हुई और उस कमेटी ने यह सर्वसम्मति से निर्णय लिया कि यह प्रोजेक्ट थ्रू एनएसएस अगर हम कराते हैं तो डिजिटल इंडिया के बारे में आम जन तक पहुंचाया जा सकता है। और मुझे याद है कि 2015 में पहली बार पूरे भारतवर्ष से 25 विश्वविद्यालयों को एनएसएस के माध्यम से चुना गया, जहां फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट किया गया कि डिजिटल इंडिया है क्या, डिजिटलाइजेशन है क्या, इसके बारे में क्या हम कर सकते हैं, क्या फायदे हैं। फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर हम लोग के पास 200 यूनिवर्सिटी का आया और आज स्थिति ऐसे है कि डिजिटल इंडिया के बारे में हर युवा, हर एनएसएस वॉलंटियर, वह किसी भी क्षेत्र का हो, सभी जानते हैं। यानी कि हमारा दायित्व बहुत बड़ा और ये बढ़ते बढ़ती इतना अधिक हो गया है कि आज अपने भाषणों में ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट हो या प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो, जब भी अपने उद्बोधनों में होता है तो वो इस बात को जरूर जिक्र करते हैं कि युवा मीन्स हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर हैं, एनसीसी हैं, एनवाईके के भी हैं, लेकिन हमारा 40 लाख जो एनरोल वॉलंटियर है काफी इस पर दायित्व। आज ही राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना पुरस्कार की घोषणा हुई थी, जिसको महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के द्वारा आज सुबह यह प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार दिया गया, जो उसमें 42 अवार्डी थे, जिसमें हमारे कुछ वाइस चांसलर, कुछ कोऑर्डिनेटर, कुछ प्रिंसिपल, कुछ प्रोग्राम अफसर और 30 वॉलंटियर हमारे थे जिनको अवार्ड दिया गया। उन्होंने अपने उद्बोधन में आज भी इस बात की चर्चा की कि जिस समय ये कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ और हमारे पास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं था मास्क का, उस परिस्थिति में भी जब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग नहीं हो पा रहा था, बाहर से कुछ आयात हुए थे, हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर अपने घर पे खुद हैंडमेड मास्क बनाकर और 25 लाख, 1-2 हज़ार नहीं 25 लाख मास्क बनाकर पूरे भारतवर्ष में अलग अलग महाविद्यालय और विश्वविद्यालयों के माध्यम से आम जन तक इसको पहुंचाया गया, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। साथ ही पिछले बैठक में, जो संसद की बैठक चल रही थी, माननीय मंत्री ने एक स्टार क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने बताया कि विश्व में सबसे अधिक रक्तदान करने का जो दायित्व मिला हुआ था, उसमें सबसे नंबर 1 पर हमारा एनएसएस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहा और एनएसएस वॉलंटियर के माध्यम से सबसे अधिक विश्व में रक्तदान शिविर और रक्तदान किया। साथ ही विश्व में सबसे अधिक प्लांटेशन का जो लक्ष्य पूरे साल का था, उसमें एनएसएस के वॉलंटियरों ने पूरा किया, जो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है। ये छोटे छोटे बात हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है कि एक छोटा सा पेड़ लगाना, हम ऐसे रिकॉर्ड बना देते हैं जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में काउंट होता है कि हाँ एनएसएस काम किया है। एनएसएस केवल इंडिया में ही नहीं, जैसे मैंने बताया, विश्व के बाहर भी इसको जाना जाता है। 2019 की बात मैं बताऊं, मुझे इंडिया यूथ डेलीगेशन को लेकर एज ए स्टेट कंट्री लेजन ऑफिसर के रूप में चाइना जाने का मौका मिला। करीब 176 हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर, अदर यूथ, मेडिकल के हमारे स्टूडेंट, इंजीनियरिंग के अदर यूनिवर्सिटी से सभी थे। मुझे भी जाने का मौका मिला उस डेलीगेशन के साथ। हम लोग चाइना गए थे यूथ एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के तहत, और खुशी होती है कि एज ए पार्ट ऑफ एनएसएस फैमिली कि बार बार ये पूछा जाता था हम लोग से कि आप एनएसएस के बारे में बताएं कि कैसे एक गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इतने बड़े यूथ को लेकर, इतनी बड़ी संख्या में यूथ जो है हमारे हैं, उनको लेकर आप लोग समाज सेवा करते हैं। तो कहीं न कहीं वर्ल्ड में हम लोग दिख रहे हैं, हमें लोग जान रहे हैं, हमें पहचान रहे हैं। यह पहचान आपके मेहनत का फल है और आपका एक छोटा-छोटा कंट्रीब्यूशन, दिया गया कंट्रीब्यूशन का ही फल है कि हम लोग इस अचीवमेंट को प्राप्त किए। इसके साथ-साथ अभी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की बात चल रही है, पूरा विश्व त्राहिमाम है, केवल इंडिया ही नहीं, उससे के सभी देश इससे अछूते नहीं है। और जिस रूप में हो, हमने प्रकृति का दोहन किया या प्रकृति के साथ छेड़छाड़ की, जिसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि आज हम लोग ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की तरफ जा रहे हैं। पृथ्वी धीरे धीरे गर्म हो रही है, अतिवृष्टि अनावृष्टि काफी अधिक हो रही है। इस स्थिति को देखते हुए अभी 2 दिन पहले माननीय मंत्री ने एक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से सभी क्षेत्रीय निदेशक रीजनल डायरेक्टरेट की बैठक की और उन्होंने ये बताया कि सरकार का एक प्लान कल आया है जो 1 अक्टूबर 2021 से 31 अक्टूबर 2021 तक चलेगा, जिसमें प्लास्टिक फ्री, प्लास्टिक मुक्त भारत बनाने का स्वप्न है। और यह भी काम हमारे युवाओं को दिया गया, जिसमें एनएसएस की भागीदारी है कि जो भी वॉलंटियर हैं, जहां भी हैं, अपने एरिया को, अपने मोहल्ले को, अपने घर को, अपने गांव को, अपने कैंपस को प्लास्टिक मुक्त करेंगे, प्लास्टिक फ्री करेंगे। उसके लिए जहां भी प्लास्टिक के कचरे पड़े हुए हैं या इकट्ठा पड़ा हुआ है, उसको मैक्सिमम प्लास्टिक को इकट्ठा करना है और इसको डिस्पोज करना है। कितना प्लास्टिक आपने इकट्ठा किया, इसके लिए उन्होंने निर्देश दिया कि जो अधिक प्लास्टिक इकट्ठा करेगा और डिस्पोज करेगा विद प्रूफ, अगर वो आता है तो हम उस वॉलंटियर को, उस कॉलेज को, उसके प्रिंसिपल को, प्रोग्राम अफसर को या यूनिवर्सिटी को हम दिल्ली में सम्मानित करेंगे। ये हमारे लिए गौरव की बात है कि हम पर भारत सरकार, राज्य सरकार विश्वास करती है कि एनएसएस एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसका अच्छा वर्क हो रहा है और इसके माध्यम से कराया जा सकता है। अभी कोविड महामारी में आपने जैसे देखा होगा कि सैनिटाइजर का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो या सैनिटाइज करना हो या मास्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो या अदर अलग कार्यों में जो हमारे एनएसएस वॉलंटियर इन्वॉल्व थे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के मामले में हो या ओल्ड जो हमारे बुजुर्ग लोग गांव में रहते हैं या शहरों में हैं, जिनको देखने वाला कोई नहीं है, उनकी दवा की बात हो या फिर ग्रोसरी के आइटम्स लाने हो, बैंक का काम हो, बिजली बिल जमा करना हो, हर काम में हमारे वॉलंटियर आगे रहे। और इस बात की चर्चा ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने भी बैठक में हम लोग को बताया कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। ये हम लोग हमारे परिवार के लिए, हमारे एनएसएस फैमिली के लिए गर्व की बात है कि कोई हमारे कामों को सराहता है, बताता है कि आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। इस ओकेजन पे एनएसएस डे जो हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं या यूँ कहें कि उसका जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं, आप सभी युवा, चूंकि हमारा भारतवर्ष युवाओं का देश कहलाता है, पूरा विश्व इस संदर्भ में हमें देख रहा है, तो आप सभी से आग्रह होगा, निवेदन होगा कि आप एक प्रण जरूर लें कि हमें समाज को कहीं न कहीं किसी न किसी रूप में कुछ देना है। देना मतलब कि फिजिकली आप किसी को डोनेट कर दें मनी या कुछ और आइटम, वो नहीं, आप समाज को इसके अलावा क्या दे सकते हैं। अगर मैं इन्वायरमेंट की बात करूं, ग्लोबल इन्वायरमेंट जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की बात करूं, इन्वायरमेंट में हम स्वच्छ कैसे कर सकते हैं, कार्बन मुक्त कैसे कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए काम कर सकते हैं। आप एक ब्लड डोनेशन ही करके किसी प्राणी का, किसी पेशेंट का जीवन बचा लें, ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है आपके लिए। पल्स पोलियो में अभियान चल रहा, उसमें अपना मैक्सिमम योगदान देकर आप अगर काम कर रहे हैं, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होगी। प्लांटेशन करके, क्योंकि प्लांटेशन हर साल लाखों में होता है, करोड़ों में हो रहा है, लेकिन कितने उसमें बच गए ये पता नहीं है। अगर उसमें भी अगर हम कुछ पेड़ लगाते हैं, 5 ही पेड़, 10 ही पेड़ लगाए अपने विलेज में, अपने बाड़ी में या नियर बाई जो ओपन स्पेस है, और उस 5 या 10 पेड़ को बचाकर जिंदा करके बड़ा कर दें, ताकि इन फ्यूचर आपके आने वाले जनरेशन या आप अपने बच्चों को ये बता सकते हैं आसान से कि देखो ये मेरा पेड़ लगा है। आज भी हम लोग गाँव के हैं, गाँव में रहते हैं, बड़े बड़े चीज जो बने हुए हैं उसमें बताया जाता है कि ये स्वयं ने बनवाया था। क्यों नहीं आप कर सकते हैं? आपका नाम क्यों नहीं आ सकता है? ये बहुत बड़ा बट वृक्ष है विशाल, ये उन्होंने लगाया था, वो आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? तो मैं आप सभी युवाओं से आह्वान करूंगा, निवेदन करूंगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप अपने स्तर से समाज को किसी न किसी रूप में कुछ ऐसा कंट्रीब्यूशन दें जिससे लगे कि आप समाज, जो आप समाज से प्राप्त करते हैं उसके एवज में या उसके बदले में आपने समाज को कुछ दिया। क्योंकि हमारी मानसिकता है कि समाज से हम लेते हैं, वो चाहे किसी रूप में हो, हम समाज से लेना चाहते हैं हर स्थिति में। अगर छोटे बच्चे हैं तो मदर फादर से मांगते हैं, थोड़ा बड़े हो जाते हैं तो कभी साइकिल की डिमांड, कभी अच्छे ड्रेस की डिमांड, कॉलेज में आ जाते हैं तो बिना परीक्षा दिए हमें पास कराने की डिमांड हो जाती है, तो क्यों मार्किंग कम हुआ उसका डिमांड, यानी कहीं ना कहीं हम डिमांड करते रहते हैं। अगर वो भी सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया तो फिर सरकार से नौकरी की डिमांड, अगर नौकरी भी मिल गई तो अच्छे एक हेल्दी सैलरी की डिमांड, अगर सैलरी भी अच्छी मिल रही है तो भविष्य में पेंशन की डिमांड। यानी कि हम जन्म लेने से मरने तक, यानी मृत्यु तक, कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी वे में हम डिमांड करते हैं, अपनी आवश्यकता की पूर्ति के लिए मांग करते हैं। हमने कभी सोचा है कि क्या हम समाज को दे रहे हैं? हमने समाज को क्या दिया? आज तक हमने मांगा, लेकिन दिया क्या? इसके संदर्भ में हमें सोचना पड़ेगा। और मैं आपसे सभी, हमारे से निवेदन है, आग्रह है कि आप प्लीज समाज को जरूर कुछ दें। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैडम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, मैडम प्रिंसिपल मैडम को, कि आपने मुझे आमंत्रित किया इसके लिए। और पुनः साधुवाद, धन्यवाद देते हुए आप सभी को पुनः मिलेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते, नमस्ते।
Sir, we hope that after this crisis gets over, then we invite you to our college campus.
Sure,
Okay,
sure,
sir?
sure, ma'am.
So
Sure,
definitely
I will
we'll
come.
visit us and we'll definitely interact there.
Morning 8 a.m. when I start the first meeting in today. Still now I am meeting.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. So you are
Thank you.
you are very
Thank you, ma'am.
busy person, I know. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you.
So, which is our next program? Any volunteer is there? Ayushi is there? Or Shravani?
I
Yes, ma'am.
over to,
Okay.
I over to Ayushi for continuing this program.
Okay, okay.
It's true, isn't it, that tough times don't last, but tough people surely do. We have one example of this situation right with us. From boarding school to commanding an infantry battalion of 1,000 plus men deployed under uphilling conditions. From sidestepping a bullet or working in minus 40-degree temperature. This personality has been a source of inspiration throughout. Honored by the President of India with Vishisht Seva Medal and handpicked to serve at the Presidential House under late President APJ Kalam, he has never failed to inspire, impact, and influence everyone by his leadership track record, successes, failures, and his comeback stories. Yes, it's none other than Colonel Prabir Singh Gupta. Sir's insight in practicing leadership and motivation for over 30 years has helped shape next level leaders in various organizations. Sir is also the first Indian Army officer on the TED platform speaking and inspiring youth with his skills. Sir, this is not a big platform as TED, but we are just as much as looking forward to hear you and the audience as the audience over there. And we are filled with immense pride to welcome you, sir. The platform is all yours.
Thank you so much, Ayushi. Thank you for such kind words. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me. And it is always a pleasure. Ayushi, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Or should I speak up loudly? Louder?
No, sir, you're absolutely
I'm
audible.
absolutely fine. Thank you once again, ma'am, for inviting me. It's always a pleasure to interact with the esteemed institution and some amazing students. Every time I have come there, unfortunately, this time it is not a physical presence there, But each time I have come there, I've interacted with some of the most amazing minds. I'm sure you all are no less, and it is a pleasure and honor to be amongst you all. Unfortunately, my learning this time will be less because I'm not interacting with you all in the physical sense. So what I used to learn, seeing you, meeting you, so it is my loss, I suppose, till we meet again physically and the college reopens. I'm sure most of you are waiting for the college to reopen. I can understand, and we shall meet definitely. Yes, I believe tough times don't last, and tough people do. Let me take this session ahead with what do I have here? I've got something. Your entire screen, share screen. Right. Right. And therefore, every time I interact with the youth, I'm amazed. I have two of my own children. My daughter is now 26, so I know. One day my son comes and says, "Sir, Daddy, I have got a tattoo." Can you imagine? I felt like let the earth, part and let me sink in. Um, you know, Therefore, understanding the youth has always been a pleasure because when I meet you all, what I see is, uh, the kind of technological advances that you all have done, right? Going ahead, interacting with people, sharing, caring, loving. I can see that in such photographs every time, right? Uh, and I wonder, and I see the doctor here taking some tips, while having opened the patient. I don't know what to do next, right? And therefore, he has a help in hand. This was his Nobel laureate, Albert Einstein, saying, "I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of," well, fill in the blanks, right? I do hope and pray you're not making his words come right, come true. I do hope and pray. Technology is good, but the abuse of technology is what is killing us, right? I don't have to elaborate. I believe that life was so much more easier when Apple and BlackBerry were, right? I'm so thankful to you for giving such a, you know, introduction. But I believe, and this I sincerely believe, the youth today are so much more confident, so much more knowledgeable, so much more aware. Therefore, they truly believe that world is at my feet. Yet, when I interact with them, I find people wide-eyed, apprehensive, determined, yet unsure and confident, but not quite clear. सर पैंडमिक चल रहा है, क्या होगा इसके बाद, नौकरी मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, सर मैं क्या करूं, ये क्या होगा, इकोनॉमी कैसी होगी, and questions. When everything around you is turbulent, if you are calm, things will fall in place. Welcome to reality. This is maybe for last 2 years we have had this COVID-19 and pandemic and lockdown and all those kind of new terms that we have got used to. But before this, we had AIDS, we had Ebola, we had SARS. And what tells you 2 years down the line we won't have a CARS or a PARS or a MARS? Who tells you? Right? So take it as a mindset that things will be turbulent. It is up to you to become a tough. Now let's see how. Right? Now let me also share a secret. Just like you all have been interacting with colleges across pan India, and I see and feel everyone is in the same boat. Everyone. So that should rest your mind in peace, calm. Sab ek hi barabar hai. So how will the scenario look like? Before I go into how to toughen yourself, you should understand how the scenario look like. See, understand there are n number of software engineers coming out, general graduates coming out, engineering, technology. Like when we are producing 7,100 odd engineering graduates, we are producing more than US and China combined. That is the kind of uh, production we have in this field, right? Annual output of 15 lakh engineers. US produces 1 lakh. But despite all this, you see the counseling that recently happened, colleges are having unfilled seats because the primary issue is quality. And the quality need not necessarily rest with the alma mater, with the college, with the institution. It is also your duty to seek this quality, right? Some situation crops up. Are you capable of handling that situation? ये कोई college नहीं सिखाएगा. Are you understanding? Right? Campus placements, forget campus placements. Take it as not happening. Employees coming to college, forget, not happening, right? Various verticals, domains, geographies are under acute crunch. But this last 2 years have been bad. Yes, there is a V-shaped recovery we are talking of. In fact, in the world, they are saying India will be one of the fastest growing economy now. You know, someone has predicted we'll have a 12% growth. How will it impact me? Yes, robots are coming, AI is having major chunk, but there are new verticals come up. You all have heard of the e-commerce sites that have cropped up. How many unicorns that have cropped up thanks to this lockdown? The pharma, the kind of business they are doing, edutech companies, right? And so on and so forth. And therefore, every time, now take this as a guiding principle. Seriously. Anytime you see one door closes, believe me, 5 windows have opened. Opportunities will open. If you say your jobs are being taken by robot तो कोई बना रहा है ना, उसको तो कोई कोड कर रहा है, कोई फीड कर रहा है. 5, 10, 15 jobs are being created. Opportunities are galore. You have to see where are the opportunities, right? All these sectors are generating huge amount of revenues. So going forward, it is not the environment is getting bad or economy is getting bad, और इसके अलावा भी तो fresh works जैसे 10 billion का मिल रहा है. Some of you must have read the papers this morning, right? They opened in Nasdaq with a valuation of 10 billion. हो रहा है. So opportunities are there. Yes, placements will get tough. Yes, job मिलना मुश्किल होगा. Yes, all those things. But you can do some things to improve the situation. Complement your college instruction, college syllabus with additional soft skills, specific skills. Do internships concurrent with your college. Therefore, you will realize that the only question you have to ask yourself is, why will the company hire me? Why will they pay me? Sir, I am good. Good is very subjective. Good तुम अपनी नजर में हो, उनके नजर में good हो. थोड़ा सा dichotomy है इसमें. Because anything subjective. Sir, I am hard working. Marks देखे तो उसमें 60% है. बड़ा मेहनत किया आपने यार 60% लाने के लिए. Right? Are you understanding? So there is a slight dichotomy. Anything that is subjective. Be very ruthless when it comes to yourself, to analyze yourself, to assess yourself. Why should they hire me? Right. That will be a guiding question, y'all. Keep doing things which will sparkle your CV. Sparkle your CV. Now, let me delve on this. Let me take 2 minutes on this. What do you mean, sir, मेरा CV sparkle करना है? कैसे sparkle करेगा? See, it should stand out. Otherwise, तुम्हारा across, if I pick up your CVs, I was a global head hiring. I should hire any number of people. I must have done over 10,000 interviews, over 5,000 group discussions, right? When the CV comes, there is a 10, 70%, 12, 80%, this school, this college. उसके बाद कुछ और है नहीं लिखने के लिए. एक इधर शायद छोटा कुछ किया, ये किया. I was a class CR, I participated in national dance competition, I did kung fu black belt, karate dan belt, or all those kind of stuff. बहुत छोटा है. सर कैसे बढ़ाएं सर? बात सुनो, यहाँ पे एक ग्रे सेल दिया ना, उसको थोड़ा इस्तेमाल करो। वो तुम लोग इस्तेमाल करने से झिझक रहे हो, घिस नहीं जाएगा, झिझक रहे हो। I'll give you examples. Now, when I took over command, there was this, we were having this altercation with our western adversary. हम लोग राजस्थान में बैठे थे, अचानक देखता हूँ इंडिया टुडे में आता है 8 week long कैप्शन राइटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन। 8 वीक के इंडिया टुडे में एवरी वीक एक कैप्शन लिखना पड़ेगा। आई केप्ट राइटिंग। आफ्टर 8 weeks they announced the results. All India, I stood second. That time they gave me what, 1.5 lakh worth of goods, fridge, TV, washing machine, AC, क्या क्या दिया पता नहीं। अगर मेरा सीवी लिखना था, लिख सकता था ना, ऑल इंडिया नेशनल, राइट। One day here I read the paper, all कोलकाता ऑल ओपन स्क्रैबल चैंपियनशिप। मैं कहा चलते हैं, 4 घंटे लगे होंगे मैक्सिमम। आई वेंट देयर, 1 राउंड खेला, जीता, 2 राउंड खेला, 3 राउंड फाइनल्स में पहुंच गए। फाइनल्स नहीं जीता मैं, उतना वो भी नहीं, राइट, बट आई वाज इन फाइनल, आई शुड थर्ड, बट इफ आई हैड टू राइट माय सीवी, फाइनलिस्ट इन कैलकाटा ओपन स्क्रैबल चैंपियनशिप, लिख सकता हूँ। व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट एट इज, I met in an interview में one girl. I said, "Sir, I'm a born leader. You understand. Most of you all say that." So I asked her, "क्या किया अभी recently? Can you give me an example of leadership?" She said, "Sir, Nepal, you know, sir, just had this earthquake. In our locality, we organized 3 truckloads of blankets to be sent there." I said, "Damn good. तुमने क्या किया उसमें?" And then she went ahead, told, "We collected, we did this, we did that." Fine. What I'm saying is, look at her CV if she had to write leadership, or she could tell that. Do things, and they don't need much effort. NSS fortunately gives you that opportunity. Sir, I have planted 10,000 trees. I have done this. I've done this plastic drive. I've done this. These are the ones which will sparkle your CV. For environment, for climate change, I've done this. For this, I've done this. So and so forth. Just like you all in college. While I was in college, I was in NCC, your sister concern. And NCC gave me an opportunity you have no idea. Today, I can proudly say I was in the armed forces only because of my NCC and its training. From NCC, I went to, first was that Bombay to Delhi cycling, 1850 kilometers. Lage raho munna bhai, right? So the moment I went for SSB and said physical fitness, I said, "Sir, I just completed this Bombay to Delhi cycling." Physical fitness, mental robustness, resilience, confidence, सबके tick. Naturally, you can understand. Then when I was in NCC, I had the fortune of doing the trekking from Rajouri to across Pir Panjal to Srinagar. It was an 8-day trek. पूरा किया. So again, it gives such opportunities. Grab those opportunities. These will sparkle your CV. These will make you a wholesome personality. And these are the ones which will make you tough. Tough times don't last. Tough people do. Right? So sparkle your CV. Look for opportunities which will help you sparkle your CV. Right? And I always tell, there are 2 skill sets you need in life. 2 skill sets. एक है लाइफ स्किल्स, एक है करियर स्किल्स। क्या फर्क है दोनों में? वेल, लाइफ स्किल्स सर्वाइव throughout your professional personal career. This could be needed even in a personal life. Think of this. Stress could be home, could be outside, could be office, could be anywhere. Stress management, time management, सब जगह जरूरत है. Anger management, half of you need that, right? I know. Conflict management, financial management, negotiation, interpersonal, all these are life skills. ये जिंदगी भर तुमको जरूरत होगी, राइट? सिर्फ टोक्यो को जरूरत नहीं है इसकी, या लिस्बन को जरूरत नहीं है, आप लोग को भी जरूरत है, राइट? एंड देन यू नीड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. विदाउट कम्युनिकेशन, हाउ कैन यू even interact? And as a leader, you need the capacity, ability to have the art of, master the art of public speaking. Imperative. मौका नहीं मिला, ठीक है, हो गया वो, अब मौका मिल रहा है, बात करो, सामने आओ, टेक अप द माइक, डू थिंग्स, राइट? Personality, this is throughout your life. What is the positive attitude? Your dress, etiquette, grooming. I'm sure half of you are recognizing Avni Chaturvedi, the first fighter pilot of India, right? पर्सनैलिटी देखने से एक गर्व महसूस होता है, तुम्हें देख के लगना चाहिए यार मजा आ रहा है. Are you understanding? Right. Now these were life skills, and then there are career skills. Career skills you need to achieve success in your career. For example, you should have a very, very sound knowledge base. तुम्हारा syllabus, तुम्हारा subject, तुम्हारे इसके ऊपर रिसर्च करो, hands on experience in that domain. You know, go for MOOCs, those massive open online courses, Coursera, Udemy. Do courses, relevant courses, and then keep yourself abreast of what is happening. Kindly listen to TED Talks. These TED Talks are 15 minutes, 15 minutes, एक दिन में एक सुनो, related to your subject. You will increase your knowledge base. And remember, knowledge is power, and power or knowledge will give you confidence. Tough time, you are a tough person, you will survive, right? Sadly, and this every time I come to speaking to youth, I feel sad that they have lost the habit of reading. किसने खराब किया पता है? एक हाथ में मोबाइल क्या आ गई, किताब तो बाहर चली गई खिड़की से. हाँ, believe me, you all have time. I last 2 years was God sent. इतने किताब पढ़े मैंने, पढ़ते मतलब enjoying. Read books. They will help you understand. For general awareness, read any of these books. Malcolm Gladwell, Dan Ariely, Bounce, Adapt. Amazing books. If you want to know about business, look at Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Crush It, Sam Walton of the Walmart fame, right? Made in Japan. I was is Wozniacki, the Steve Jobs, right? Steve Wozniak. Nuts, Branson wala jo Virgin, right? Read business books, and if you want to read about India, at least read about India. Amazing books. In fact, if you read this Goras and Desis, you will feel proud. I'm telling you, I'm laying a bet. This book explains how the Britishers and the British companies were kicked out of India thanks to the Marwadi community of Calcutta. एक के बाद एक, they started taking over the tea gardens. एक के बाद एक, they started taking over the engineering institutions, those big engineering companies. And it speaks amazingly. Read books, then you will know, have knowledge, and then you will feel proud. ये किया है यार हमने. And that is where you will become. You need certain personal qualities. Definitely, you need personal qualities. If you ask me, what would be some personal qualities each one of you must have? It boils down to these 7 qualities. First and foremost is integrity. Somehow, when people speak of integrity nowadays, there is a cowl or there is a smirk in the faces. You cannot replace integrity with anything. You will come to a crossroad where you have to make this tough decision. Take advice from me. Take a tough call. Walk the road less traveled, and you will be proud of it. You can tell stories to your children. Loyalty to the organization जहाँ पे भी काम कर रहे हो, कॉलेज के लिए, अल्मा माटर के लिए, be loyal. जहाँ पे खाते हो उस थाली में छेद नहीं कर सकते हो बॉस. इस देश के वासी हो, देश के बारे में बुरा भला नहीं कह सकते हो, राइट? हैव पैशन, एक एंथुजियाज्म, देख के लगना चाहिए जान है, या यूथ में जान है, बच्चे में जान है, राइट? हैव डिसिप्लिन, हैव एन पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, बिकम सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट्स, नॉलेज इररिप्लेसेबल. और कोई भी नॉलेज, कोई भी सीख खराब नहीं जाती. यू रिमेंबर स्टीव जॉब्स व्हेन ही वाज किक्ड आउट ऑफ एप्पल, जाके वो कैलीग्राफी सीख रहा था, कर्सिव राइटिंग। आज तुम्हारे फॉन्ट्स क्यों हैं? उसी कर्सिव राइटिंग के कारण जो स्टीव जॉब्स ने वहां सीखा था। वर्क एथिक्स एंड बी ए टीम प्लेयर, these 7 qualities, if you groom, if you have, if you develop, if you hone, you will become a tough person. Tough times don't last, tough people do. You can look in the eye of the tough times and say, boss, देख लेंगे तुझे भी, right? Now I know some of you are, yeah, success, I understand success has different meanings, I understand that, and therefore I can also understand, well, success, I believe success is the progressive realization of your worthy goals. Progressive realization, worthy goals, worthy goals. तो goals रखना है. If you don't have goals, क्या होता है? Well, you are like Alice in Wonderland. Come to the door is closed, you look up and you find the Cheshire cat sitting there, and you ask the cat, ये डोर कहाँ जा रहा है बड़े भाई? And the cat says, तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? Alice says, मुझे नहीं पता. बोलते फिर क्या फर्क पड़ता है ये दरवाजा कहाँ जा रहा है? Then it doesn't matter where the door goes, leads to, because you don't have a goal. Please sit down and write your personal goals. In next 5 years, I would like to do this, personal, professional. Sit down and write your goals. Right? The pandemic, of course, has thrown up number of challenges. The challenges you all are facing are maybe slightly different the challenges I am facing, but there are challenges nevertheless, right? How have you coped with this new normal? Why I say normal is because this will happen. This is no more a black swan event. In a regular period interval, you will have such events. This is the normal. So any person who can adapt to these changing times faster will get tough. Adapt is the new mantra. The quicker, the faster you learn, unlearn, and then relearn is your success. Of course, number of times you all have walked up and asked, sir, did you face bullets? And every time I answer this question, I have this smile on my face, and my answer is yes, I have. I was in infantry. Infantry is the ones which you have recently seen in Sher Shah, Dil Mange More. I know. And the other one, Uri. How is the Josh? Right? I was in infantry, yes. And my troops were from the 7 northeast states: Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal, Assam. And our center was in Shillong, one of the finest places in this country. And I was commanding in a place, again, you would be aware of Kupwara, Rajouri, all those map mein dekha hoga, suna hoga kabhi news mein. So we were facing bullets. We have killed militants. That was our job, right? But I'm not harping on kya kiya maine. I'm harping on what are the lessons you can take so that you can dodge or face bullets, right? And therefore, I will give you the word. And the word is, this word totals to 100. If A was 1 and B was 2 and C was 3 and D was 4, this totals up to 100. Discipline. Of course, hard work is 98, by the way. There's another word which totals to 100. So if you can imbibe these 2 words in your lexicon, in your personality, to be disciplined with a positive attitude, success is bound to happen. You are automatically becoming a tough person. Now every time I say, therefore, I'll speak on self-discipline, physical discipline, mental discipline, financial discipline. You know, a lot of youngsters amongst you, including my daughter, have this, you know, sir, discipline, my wings are being clipped, मेरे restriction चली जाएगी, I should be able to choose my choice, me, myself, me. I say, buddy, I have been in a boarding since 8.5 years, 25 years in the army. I know what is discipline, and I believe discipline leads to freedom. People are shocked. But क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Discipline leads to freedom. Let me elaborate. Firstly, voila. I know you have an issue with discipline. Let us replace the word discipline with freedom. Right? So self-freedom, physical freedom, financial freedom. Now you can understand, correlate. Let me take 2 minutes each. I have some time. Yeah. 2 minutes, 3 minutes on these, so that I hope to make you all understand this is what you need going forward. See, unless the persistence, self-discipline or self-freedom is the persistence to keep lage raho munna bhai to reach your goal. Therefore, you need a goal and to push yourself to achieve it. Stay motivated. And this goal is not forced down your throat. किसी बाहर से नहीं आना चाहिए, अंदर से मेरे को करना है यार. I want to climb Mount Everest. मैंने चाहिए. Once you realize that, you will find what is self-discipline. These are the actions you take to achieve your goals, your motivation, your habits, the progress that you make towards the goal. Therefore, you will not be, after this session somewhere, go down on YouTube and watch a YouTube topic called Marshmallow Test. It tells you what is the difference between instant gratification and delayed gratification. Research has proven that when you delay gratification, वो message आते ही instant ting बजा and you have to check it. You have no control over your mind. You became slaves. The mind should be your slave, not the other way around. Delay this gratification. अभी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, बाद में देखूंगा. अब मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, बाद में देखूंगा. This is not my time for leisure or whatever. You set your, this will self-discipline. This will set you free, and this will be self-freedom. Right? What is physical freedom? Physical discipline, whatever you call it. See, when we say training gives us confidence, how could I face those bullets? Because I was trained and I was confident of myself and my weapon and my buddies. Because as a team, we were practice together. Regular physical exercises, therefore, makes you physically fit, mentally robust. We have trained, buddies, we have trained. And in infantry, there is no alternative to training. And we have trained in various sectors, various domains, under various conditions. Yes, I have done the commando course, the famed commando course, including the 40-mile run, 40-kilometer run, right? And we have done all these things. So once you are so sure of yourself, you can take steps. You will improve your immunity. The pandemic has told us, highlighted the importance of your health. Remember, your body needs oxygen, fresh oxygen. सुबह 1 घंटा, आधा घंटा, you have to be out in the open. Breathe fresh air. Set a routine to inject this oxygen. ये शाम को जॉग में मत जाओ, बहुत धुआं, बहुत pollution है. Go down early morning. I go cycling. 2 hours, मेरा total पूरा quota is complete for the whole day, right? In fact, my cycling, in an hour you can do around 22 to 25 kilometers. 2 घंटा 40-50 kilometers कहीं नहीं गए, right? I stay in Tollygunge to airport and back, 51 kilometers. Dot, right? करते रहो. Do something. Jog, walk, yoga, right? What is mental freedom? Now, how many times some of you, and any boys here, yeah, I can say a couple of, right? You kept shouting, "Mama, where's my keys? चाबी कहाँ है? चाबी खो गई, मोटरसाइकिल है, चाबी पच्छी ना, this, that. कहाँ रख दिया पता नहीं, याद ही नहीं. Mental freedom is घर में घुसते चाबी यहाँ रहेगा. जिंदगी में कभी चाबी कहीं और नहीं जाता है. नहीं जाएगा, जा नहीं सकता. You are therefore you have more time for strategic thinking than looking for that keys. Than ये कहाँ है, ये क्या है. Declutter your mind. Don't be disciplined in knowing where you write, what you write, where you store, कहाँ मिलेगा. You save time in accessing the information, and therefore you are faster, you are efficient, and therefore effective. Remember, where your attention goes, energy flows. And wherever energy flows, things grow, things glow. Right? Anything you want to achieve, think of it. Right? Therefore, declutter your mind. Right? Declutter your mind. You can achieve, and believe me when I say this, you can achieve whatever you set for yourself. And then I am reminded of Henry Ford, who says, if you believe you can or can't, either way you are right. अगर तुमने पहले ही मन में सोचा हाँ हो जाएगा, या बोलते अपने आप को नहीं होगा, अब सच सही हो, बिकॉज माइंड तो उसी तरह काम करेगा ना. Therefore, be clear-headed. Let that clarity come. Your mind is the most powerful instrument. Therefore, you need. When Krishna asks him, Arjun, क्या दिख रहा है? चिड़िया की आंख, nothing else. Get that focus. एक गोल सेट करो. जब तक गोल हासिल नहीं होता है, set a goal. With this focus and discipline, कोई माई का लाल तुम्हें रोक नहीं सकता है. Believe me. Tough times, tough people. Right? I spoke of physical, mental, financial freedom. I'm sure you all want to be, financially independent, financially free. कोई है आप में से जो नहीं चाहता है ये? Of course चाहते हैं. So how do you achieve that? Again, with discipline. Because I believe some of you are not aware of the last sentence, the power of compounding. Get to know, understand the power of compounding. Right now, you're already 5 years late. Start investing. छोटा छोटा amount. 100, 500, 5,000 महीने का. धीरे 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 धीरे. And you'll see that impact of power of compounding. Set goals. Make a budget. Start investing. And if you have time, buddies, read this book. The Psychology of Money. Amazing book. Amazing book. मैंने बेटी को दिया पढ़ने के लिए. मैं देख रहा था यहाँ कहीं है मेरे. Right. What is group freedom? Group freedom is a set of rules for your team, a code of conduct. So the group is therefore free to do things. When I'm in the operation, my buddy is here. I don't have to look everywhere. I look only from my front, 12 to 9 o'clock. He looks from 12 to 3 o'clock. There's a code of conduct. So we know we are looking after each other's back. It helps achieve goals, group freedom. Therefore, this is a basic for any team, a set of values, expectations, commitment, sense of belonging. एक बार बोल दिया, आयुषी करेगी, कर देगी वो. जानते हैं लोग. क्यों? That is the kind of expectation people have. Right. And last but not the least is time freedom. I'm sure half of you are, the time nahi sir. Therefore, if time is money, then sleep is theft, right? This is a finite resource. Understand, Adani, Ambani, Ayushi, सबको एक fixed है 24 hours भगवान ने दिया है. How do you utilize this is the difference. Right. This is a finite resource. Therefore, your plans have to be to optimize your usage of time. Understand your body clock. Yes, you can exploit technology for that. We'll see how. But understanding of this body clock is the key. Right? Things will happen. For this, you have to understand that each adult needs roughly 6 to 7 hours of sleep. एक sleep cycle है. जब सूरज डूब जाता है सो जाओ. Maximum 10 बजे तक सो जाओ. Some of you are now sleeping at 2, 3 thanks to Netflix. ये Money Heist जब से आया, thank you. Right? 6 to 7 hours of sleep. अगर 10 बजे भी सोओगे अपने आप 5 बजे नींद खुल जाएगी. स्लीप साइकिल 21 दिन में तुम्हारा ये हैबिट बन जाएगा, संस्कार बन जाएगा. गेट अप, सुबह फिजिकल फिटनेस एक रूटीन रखो, 30 to 45 minutes, 1 hour outside, then come back. Mental recharge for your brains when you sleep, unclutter. Study time, preferably keep it in the morning. Preferably keep it in the morning. They say, see, evening, what happens is, research has shown what you study for 1 hour in the morning, to study that in the evening, you need 3 hours, 3 times more. Why? In the morning, your brain is like a sponge. It soaks, it absorbs everything you study. In the evening, while you're soaking, अचानक एक छोटा सा वीडियो आ जाता है. आज मैम ने ना बहुत टोक दिया मुझे. Today that boy was smiling at me. क्या गंदा ड्रेस पहना था उसने, this that, and सब कुछ एक वीडियो की तरफ चलता रहता है. And therefore your focus goes down, your concentration level goes down, and then you need 3 hours. Right? Preferably try this out. See, अब तक तुम लोग ने बहुत कुछ किया है तुम्हारे 19, 20, 21, 22 साल में. अभी एक कुछ नया करके देखो. Automatically you'll see a change, because I believe live a life less ordinary. Ordinary तो सब जीते हैं. You all are extraordinary. Right? I was fortunate. I'm being, what should I say? I'm unashamed to say this. I was fortunate. I was able to spend time with our late President Kalam. I was in operations. We have done a lot of operations, recoveries, killing militants, firing, any and everything that an infantry officer does. On the right, you will see that time I was a young captain, dashing young captain. I was an instructor in Indian Military Academy in Dehradun. So I used to teach the officers who were planning to join IMA to be officers. Right. So I've been there. I've done that. ये सब फौज में करने के बाद, then nowadays I do the cycling. On the right top, that day we had done from here to what is that place जहाँ टाटा को निकाल दिया था, 100 kilometer, 1000. 5 of us had gone cycling, right? Enjoying, and this was how I ended my this year and began my this year with a 50 kilometer run cycle. Enjoy my golf, my talks, my travels. Therefore, life is beautiful. Like they say, la vie est bella, la vie est belle, la vie est belle, la vie est belle. Life is beautiful. And besides all this discipline that I spoke to you about, I also believe there's another thing that will make you tough. Right? I told you 100 plus 100, 200%. How do you develop this positive attitude? Build a self-esteem. कुछ करो तो तुम्हें अपने आप proud feel होगा. I have done this. Your self-esteem will go up. You'll have a positive attitude towards life. Stop being a victim. सर मेरे साथ ही होता है, सर मेरा स्कूल ना, सर वो हो गया यार, come out of it, move on now. हो चुका, past. Present को देखो, future को देखो. Find a goal. Therefore, set a goal. Find an inspiration, and that will push you, motivate you, guide you, coax you, cajole you, push you to attain it. Stay away from these negative influences. Right? Stay focused. Stay why you can do it. Have a positive self-talk. तुम अपने आप से क्या बोलते हो? कोई ऐसे बोलते हैं, character दिन. Now, how do you motivate your brain mind with that kind of talk? And some say, चलो यार आज इसको करते हैं, मजा आएगा. What is your self-talk? What is your positive? Listen to a girl called, what is that called? Jessica's Talk. YouTube. Second one, okay? Second. First one was Marshmallow Test. Second is Jessica's Talk, right? Jessica's self-talk. Remember, अगर तुम गेहूं बोओगे, क्या आएगा? गेहूं. और अगर तुम अपने दिमाग में पॉइजन बोओगे, क्या आएगा? You will get poisonous. The mind is fertile. Whatever you sow, it will reap, because you become what you think about. Be very careful with your thoughts, buddies. Very careful. There are around 40 to 60,000 thoughts in a day. Be very careful what you're thinking. You will become that. Important, right? Because I believe आज जितने जितने तुम लोग यहाँ पे हो, each one of you sitting here is destined to succeed. And ये मैं क्या बोलते हैं उसके साथ बोल सकता हूँ, not गर्व, with confidence, because I believe you're born in the most blessed land in this planet. Read this book, होली का पता चलेगा कौन से कंट्री ने और वर्ल्ड को दिया है हिंदुज्म, सिखिज्म, जैनिज्म, बुद्धिज्म, कहां से निकले हैं ये सब. वी आर द थॉट लीडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. Right? You all have privileged childhood. We are not one of those African nations anymore. Yes, some of you have gone through tough times. That's fine. Now you all are here in this extraordinary educational institute. You're bound to succeed. There's a legacy to live for and die for. जिंदगी में एक ऐसा जुनून रखो जिसके लिए अपनी जान देने के लिए तैयार हो, बॉस. And that will drive you, push you. You know, I found that in when this Nirbhay thing happened in Delhi and the whole country was full of rage, I said, how can I channelize this rage? All my commando training that I've had, I said, why can't I teach these to the girls, to the women, to the ladies, and make them confident? And therefore, I developed a program called WOSAF, Women's Safety, and SITCON, Situation Control. Can I use anything and everything around me? You know, what is the situation? How can I control it? Because I don't speak, I will mention something called self-defense. Defense is a very, I won't use the word negative. Defense puts you in a defensive mentality. You're not looking for offense. Offense is the only, like in the army we used to say, offense is the best form of defense. Right? There will be, therefore, if you are a man, your sister, mother, brother, girlfriend, wife, how can you live if something happens to them? जी कैसे सकोगे यार, सांस कैसे ले सकोगे? जिंदगी में एक ऐसा जुनून रखो, non-negotiable. You will be proud of it, right? There are opportunities galore. I'm telling you, this economy is, the Sensex today doing 58,000, right? It is supposed to be touching 1 lakh. Imagine the kind of opportunities that will happen. Unbounded potential. Therefore, each one of you sitting on this platform bound to succeed. Let these tough times come. We will last. We'll see it, right? Happiness is not to get what you like. ये तो सबको मजा आता है. जो मेरे को पसंद है मिल गया, Apple 13 खरीदना मिल गया. कितना दिन हैप्पीनेस देगा वो Apple 13? 3 दिन के बाद तो वही नॉर्मल एप्पल हो जाता है. हैप्पीनेस इज टू लाइक व्हाट यू गेट. मिला है ये जो है, उसको जब प्यार करने लगोगे तब मजा आएगा, राइट? I remember 84 when our gentleman Rakesh Sharma had gone to the moon and our then Prime Minister asked him, Rakesh ji, वहां से भारत कैसा दिख रहा है? And he said, सारे जहां से अच्छा. Because if you remember, यूनानी और मिस्री और रोम सब मिट गए जहां से, फिर भी बाकी नामो निशा हमारा. कुछ बात है, हस्ती मिट्टी नहीं है हमारी, सदैव रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Be a proud Indian. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure speaking to you all. I know some of you would like to connect with me, contact me, drop in a line. It will be my pleasure to connect with the youth of our nation, right? And a passing word before I finally sign off. La vie est belle, what I was telling. Life is beautiful. Break the rules, forgive, kiss slowly, love truly, laugh uncontrollably, and never regret anything that makes you smile. Don't sweat small stuff. Just small, trivial. You are what you are meant to be, and dance as if no one is watching you. Love as if it's all you know. Dream as if you will live forever, and live as if you will die today. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Pretty much blessed by hearing your words for sure. And if anyone is having any question, you are all supposed to shoot them up because sir has a very good experience with bullets. And I think
So
I
you
was
can
the
shoot your
first one.
questions. Yes,
Yes.
it
So
is
I
going
had
through my mind.
one question, like
Yeah, I
when
saw
why
this Ayushi Srivastava written. So one thing is going through my mind, that why integrity is the first point and the personal qualities and not knowledge. Knowledge will keep enhancing. Integrity is something which you have it or you don't have it. Knowledge you can keep gaining. It is continuous process, right? Integrity is, there is no shades of gray in this. There are no 50 shades of gray. Actually, integrity is something, and there will be moments in your life where you will come to such crossroads where your integrity will be pushed, and that is the time. The actions you take when no one is watching you speaks of your integrity. I can keep giving you some personal examples, but this is not the platform. If God willing we meet again, I'll share some experiences. Integrity is non-negotiable, और एक बार ये लुट गई फिर से नहीं आती वापस, because then it's impossible. It becomes very difficult to live your life. They say a clear conscience is the best pillow. रात को अच्छी तरह नींद आएगी, right? So I believe this is my take, that I believe integrity is there for the first point and the personal quality. Aishi, I hope I have been able to answer you. Can you describe how was your life at IMB and what all you learned? Shubham, this was a PG PEX course of 6 months plus. तो 6 महीने में क्या क्या सीखा तुमको बताना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, बट एक चीज बोलूं, it is worth going to such an institution. Our finance teacher, faculty, Mr. Vaidyanathan, he was the advisor to the Japanese government. Can you understand what I'm saying? They are phenomenal knowledge-wise, and the way they speak, interact, explain, the amazing time. And the first session, first teacher told us, look, you all have put in around 15, 18, 20 years, 25 years in the army. This is what you need to do, and this is for life. Unlearn all that you have learned, learn, relearn, learn, unlearn, learn, relearn, unlearn, learn, relearn. Continuous cycle, because whatever has brought you here, na Shubham, will not take you there. वो तो हो चुका है. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ यू एनालाइज, देखो तुम्हारा जो इंग्लिश का वोकैबुलरी है जो तुम 12th तक यूज कर रहे थे वही आज यूज कर रहे हो. यू हैव नॉट इम्प्रूव, एंड हाउ कैन यू फॉर द से नेक्स्ट स्टेप, नेक्स्ट लेवल, you have to improve. So therefore you will have to, it has to be a continuous process of learning and relearning, right? I hope I have been able to answer your question, Shubham. But yes, if given a chance, I wish, pray you make it through your CAT and go to one of these IIMs. It's a beautiful place to learn, good place to learn. Kopalat says, sir, you explain how we are being overpowered by technology, but during the COVID situation, we are bound to use technology the most and are most able to avoid it and are not able to avoid it. Suggest something about this. Kopal, firstly, amazing question, because I believe it is a choice. I know it sounds, sir, आपको कहना आसान है, करना मुश्किल. I understand. Let me give you two small examples, and maybe it will help you understand slightly. See, when Vishwamitra was there, na, the Vishwamitra, he was the greatest munshi. वहां से उर्वशी गई तो उसका भी मन डोल गया था. You and me don't have that kind of command over our brains कि WhatsApp का एक टिंग आए और हम ना खोले. नहीं है, इतनी शक्ति किसी इंसान में नहीं है. I was in Facebook, like you students, 5, 10, 15, 20, some of you connect with me. on Facebook. I touched 5,000 within 6 months. Then I wrote to this lady, Sheryl Sandberg, the CEO of Facebook. I said, look, 500 से तो कुछ 5,000 से कुछ नहीं होता है. हमारे तो रिश्ते नाते ही 5,000 है भाई. मेरे तो यूएस में मानता हूँ, यू डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स, यू नीड 5,000 इज अ लिमिट, अपर लिमिट. यहाँ पे 5,000 तो हमारा लोअर लिमिट होना चाहिए. यू शुड एक्सेस अ पर्सन only after he has 5,000, then open his account, right? She says no, and blah, blah, blah. I said hatao Facebook. I don't enjoy Facebook. Matlab, it's not helping me grow. Then I had this famous something called WhatsApp. Aapka bhi hai. And then one day my wife questioned me literally, yeah, WhatsApp. I said देखो घर में कहाँ कर रहा हूँ मैं तो ट्रैवल में कर रहा हूँ, जब मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ वगैरह वगैरह. So I don't waste family time. She says cool. When you should travel, you should read books. आजकल पढ़ाई बंद हो गई. When you should travel, you should speak to your sister. आजकल सब बंद हो गया. WhatsApp में सुबह हैप्पी बर्थडे भेज देते हो, 25 फूल भेज देते हो. How are you growing? How is that helping connection? फोन उठाओ, बात करो, कनेक्शन फील होता है. You are losing on things that matter. I realized, I gave it a thought. I deleted WhatsApp. आज 4 साल हो गए मेरे पास WhatsApp नहीं है. And I'm living. I have time to do what I want to do, not what others want me to do. Think of it, Kopal. I'm not saying I'm right, you're wrong. Yes, I also understand this online education, therefore laptop, therefore I can understand this. These are challenging times. But remember, tough times don't last. Tough people do. You will survive. You will get through this. And your brains are so fertile. I'm sure you'll be able to find a way out. Work on it, Kopal. Right? That's a word. Right. Great. Thank you so much. I hope it helped, Kopal. Shubham Bishwa says, sir, what one thing person should value the most in his or her life? What do you want to value? Because every person, Shubham, I believe, has different priorities in life. And whatever your priorities are, somewhere on the top 5, please put your own health as one of the priorities. किसी के लिए parents हैं, किसी के लिए, like when you grow up, now my children become priority. So the priorities will keep changing, right? What you value the most. Someone values their principles. Someone values their family. Different. कोई आजकल पैसों के लिए काफी वैल्यू डालते हैं. I understand, right? All to their own, but it is up to you to decide what you want in your life. Shubham, I hope I've been able to answer you. Yeah. Adya Bajpai, Shubham, thanks a lot. Adya has left. Right. Any other questions? I don't see any questions. Ayushi, the course is okay. Akash has asked, so which was the one moment of your life when you felt that, yes, I have done something in my life and I have achieved something? Akash, that's a very, very ouch question. Ouch. You understand ouch? Belt ke niche hit होते the boxing में ouch बोलते हैं. Right. Why I said ouch question is because I don't believe I have achieved anything. I don't believe I've achieved anything, seriously, and I'm not being glib, or I'm not being, this is not sarcastic. I genuinely believe I've done what I wanted to do or what I was supposed to do. What I want to do now is something which I want to connect with the 600 million youth of our country, and therefore I call myself a youth mentor. 600 million से भी roughly 75,000 हो गया है. So there's a long way to go. तो मेरा भी बहुत टाइम है मेरे पास, अभी तो जवान हूं मैं. I'm sure I'll be able to address the 600 million of our country. धीरे धीरे, one step at a time. Like today, I'm addressing about speaking to 70 odd people. 70, boon se. So, yes, you can say what was one proud moment was when I was interacting on a daily basis with late President Kalam. That was one moment I used to cherish. I cherish. It was phenomenal. I was with him for a year and a half. 18, 19 months on. Then I had to leave. I left army. Those months in Rashtrapati Bhavan with him, 4 feet, 5 feet बैठे रहते थे हम लोग, just here. And he was such a amazing person, amazing personality. That was something I cherish. I feel that was one proud moment of my life. Thanks, Akash, for asking this question.
Yes, sir.
Ayushi Srivastav. Yes, Ayushi.
So you were talking about communication as being a very important aspect, and I cannot help but remember one instance from my life. I've been very fortunate enough to complete my primary and secondary studies from Army Public School. So I've,
Yes.
had that discipline thing, but I cannot help but recall one thing that where I face this problem a lot times that when I'm portraying myself, there are like the communication sometimes the thing that actually is in my head, it's not very well portrayed when I'm actually trying to portray myself. And I feel many youth actually face this problem of, portraying themselves in a correct way.
Projecting
So,
themselves correctly. The way
yes.
you're thinking something, you want to say ABC, words are XYZ. And later on, once you go back, you said, यार मेरे को तो ये पता था, मैंने ऐसे क्यों नहीं बोला? Right? Something like
Exactly,
that.
sir.
This, believe me, Ayushi, will come with practice. More you see, it is exactly like, how do you, what should I say? How did people start calling Saurav Ganguly god of offside? Do you think the first time he faced a ball on offside, it was a four and continuously a four? Of course not. Of course not. Practice, practice, more practice, deliberate practice, and it comes. See, before your important event, say for example, just as an example, आज तुम्हारा ये NSS day था, you were told to compare it. If you had just written down what you will say and say what you want to say, you will realize that the more you write, practice, it gets better and better, right? Therefore, and subsequently also, say you have missed out, you should not have regret saying that काश मैंने ये कर लिया होता. Don't do that. So therefore, put in your best effort. Yet there may be times some things go wrong. Yet there may be times that you are not able to come across the way you want to come across. But practice and it will surely see. But I still believe communication is very important. And what I could gather from your communication, you're on top of the scale.
Thank you so much, sir. If anybody is having questions, okay, we
I
got
see Abhishek, sir. Everyone used to run behind success, but what we can do that success runs behind us. What was this gentleman जिसके नाम पे वो मूवी बनी थी, Padman, the original guy? He's had a TED talk, right? And he says, तुम पैसे के पीछे भागोगे तो तुम्हें पैसा कभी नहीं मिलेगा. पैसा पीछे रखो, कामयाबी अब आते आते पैसे अपने आप आएंगे. Something like that, words to that effect. Success is also what you mentioned here, and I mentioned during this thing, Abhishek, right? Yeah. Success is what you mean by success or definition of success. See, for Ayushi, success may be something else. For Jhumar, success may be something else. For Ishu, success may be something else. For you, success may be something else. Everyone has different priorities है ना. तुमको तो मान लो मेरी छोटी बहन है, मेरी बड़ी बहन है, उसकी शादी कराना है, वो that becomes your priority. Say, I'm giving example. So for you that would be successful अगर उनकी शादी करवा दी. That may not be someone else's priority. So therefore, success is very, what should I say, very subjective. It depends and is differs from each person to person. So you'll have to define what is success. I therefore don't speak of success as much as goals. Have your goals, and you'll realize the moment you achieve your goals, you will feel successfully because your self-esteem goes up, your self-belief goes up, your self-motivation goes up, and automatically you feel good about yourself. एक बार कर लो, then it becomes a drug, and then one after other it comes happening, gets one after, and therefore success is, I believe, progressive realization of your worthy goals. Right? I hope I have been able to answer you, Abhishek. Ronak says how to maintain consistency in work throughout day, because in the morning it is very straightforward that I have to get work done, but somehow the whole day passes and at the end I realize I haven't done much work today. Ronak. There is a wonderful research called Time, and it says across the world, in the morning, your energy level is very high. At around 1, 2, there is a dip, and then there is a resurgence at around 5, 6, 7, 8, and then again it dips down, tapers down. So the work which is very important to you should be done, or get it done in the morning between 8 to 11, 12 max. Now you said that you sit down to work but you don't complete it. That shows a failure of your either one comprehension of the work, or if the work is too overwhelming, you postpone it. यार बहुत ज़्यादा है, कल करते हैं. The best way is then break down that work. पहले ये कर लेता हूँ, this, and then together, right? Say project writing. Now huge project हो नहीं रहा है start. So start with, ठीक है, आज मैं सिर्फ contents करता हूँ, आज सिर्फ chapter 1 करता हूँ, आज introduction करता हूँ. Let me do this. And the moment you break down your goals, your work, small achievable targets, you'll realize that you can achieve much more. Fix yourself 30 minutes of work, 5 minutes ka break, come back 30 minutes, and just put in. You will see the output, your own output, changing drastically if you follow this 33 principle. 30, 3 minutes break, 30, 3 minutes break, 3 वो भी लगा लो, 1.5 घंटे में तुम, you will be surprised at the kind of output you will achieve. Right? Abhishek. Ronak, I hope I have answered your question. Yeah, thank you, sir. I will try. You better try. Akash Gupta sir said, do I have cryptocurrency and investment in coin market? Sir, do have in. If you are speaking of crypto and investment in coin currency, they are out of the preview, but I can say bank on crypto. There is this Akash Srivastav. Akash, na? Yeah, Akash Srivastav. Okay, listen to him. Huh?
Akshat Srivastav.
Akshat. Yeah, amazing, Rohan. High five. Right. Akshat speaks of this cryptocurrency and he's banking heavily on crypto. So I believe crypto should be good. But as long as, and I can make out that if you're listening to Akshat, your investments are in place, just be careful. Don't be very, it may sound good at this age to be high risk, but keep something for the golden egg. Egg part continuously. Even Warren Buffett says that long-term investments are the best, which will give you the best yields. So एक part ना, you have identified a sector, a domain, उसमें डाल दो, उसको grow करते रहो, उसमें रोज थोड़ा डालते रहो, उसके एक शेयर रोज खरीदते रहो, बाकी चलता रहेगा. उसका 2 शेयर आज खरीद लिया, 1 शेयर आज खरीद लिया. Monitoring, you will, I'm sure you have understood what I'm saying. You're on your way to success. Bank on crypto. Damn good. Thanks, Rohan. It was nice. I hope I've answered you, of course. Ronak. That depends on the market. Ayush Jaiswal. Yes, that depends on the market, definitely. Right, Akshat, yes. There's another one, someone called Fin Cocktail from Bombay, these 2 girls. Again, very nice people to follow. And for the others on this platform, there is an app called Grow. No, I'm not on the payroll, no, please. I don't get anything for saying this, but I use that app and I found it's amazing. GROWW. Rohan, have you used Grow?
No,
Akash?
sir.
Yeah?
No,
All
sir.
right. I'm enjoying this Grow. Nice. So some of the others, please advise them, speak to them, spread the word, because financial discipline or financial freedom you can achieve when you are able to manage your own finances. Right. Good going. Ayush says there is a J curve in the market. Yes, Ayush. I'm glad you're following this market so closely, seriously. Congratulations. So you were also in that Sansena Engineering, the IPO?
Sir,
Sorry. Yeah.
you must be, yeah, sir. Should we continue or we?
I think we have Ayushi. All open to you now.
Thankfully, I
Yeah, I mean,
thought.
because you must be busy, you have other things to do also. So, I mean, I think if anyone has any question, they can get in touch with you, sir. I mean, you have given your contact details. So, students, please go ahead. I know he is like a gem. He is always there for the youth. So, Ayushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Thank you so
And
very much, sir. I mean,
yes,
offline would have been much better, but what to do? We have to go for the online this thing discussion. Thank you so very much, sir.
thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Now, I would like to call Jumur ma'am to continue with the session, and I'll sign off. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everybody. It was a pleasure.
থ্যাংক ইউ আলসি। আমরা আজকে অনুষ্ঠানের একদম শেষ প্রান্তে এসে পৌঁছেছি। এখন আমাদের ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপনের পালা। আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমাদের আজকের চিফ গেস্ট রিজিওনাল ডিরেক্টর এনএসএস কলকাতা শ্রী বিনয় কুমারকে। আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমাদের আজকের স্পিকার কর্নেল প্রবীর সেনগুপ্তা স্যারকে। আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমাদের প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাডাম মাননীয়া ডক্টর মৌসুমী সিং সেনগুপ্তাকে, যার অনুমতি এবং সক্রিয় সহযোগিতা ছাড়া আমরা আজকে অনুষ্ঠানটি করতে পারতাম না। আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমার অন্যান্য এনএসএস অ্যাডভাইজারি মেম্বার ডক্টর সুচিস্মিতা দাস, মৌমিতা মারিক, মিস্টার রিতায়ন রয় এবং দীপায়ন দত্তকে। এছাড়া আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাই বিশেষভাবে আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীদের এবং আয়ুষী শ্রীবাস্তব, শ্রাবণী বণিককে এবং রাজদীপ দাসকে। রাজদীপ আমাদের পোস্টারটি তৈরি করতে সাহায্য করেছে, পোস্টারটি তৈরি করে দিয়েছে, এবং শ্রাবণী আমাদের ভিডিও ক্লিপিংটি বানিয়ে দিয়েছে, এবং শ্রাবণী এবং আয়ুষী আমাদের সমগ্র অনুষ্ঠানটি পরিচালনা করেছে। ধন্যবাদ, শুভ সন্ধ্যা, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। কি আছে? হ্যাঁ, হ্যালো
Hello.
হ্যাঁ, ঝুমুর।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে আজকে প্রোগ্রাম এখানেই শেষ করছি। আমাদের কর্নেল সেনগুপ্তকে তো এখন মনে হচ্ছে উনি লিভ করেছেন, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ।
তো আজকে প্রোগ্রামটা তাহলে আমরা এখানেই শেষ করছি, ঠিক আছে?
Thank you, হ্যাঁ সবাইকে।
ধন্যবাদ সকলকে।
Thank you.
ওকে,
Thank you. Thank you all for being present.